In this video, we are going to learn about the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Let's first start with solids. In solids, particles are very compact and close together, as seen in this picture. Solids have a definite volume and a definite shape. Definite volume means that it has the same or unchanging volume. Definite shape means that it does not take the shape of its container. The shape is the same regardless of the container that you put it in. For example, if you were to put a rock in a small narrow glass versus if you put a rock in a large wider glass, the rock will not take the shape of the container and will remain the shape that it is already in. Solids also have high density, higher than liquids and gases. They are also not easily compressible. So if you were to put a solid in a container and try to compress it, it would not be as easy to compress as if you were to put a liquid in a container or a gas in the container. Solids also have a dominance of potential energy over kinetic energy. Lower kinetic energy means that there is little motion of molecules. This makes sense because the molecules in a solid are held tightly together and there is little space for movement. The molecules are being held tightly together and there's less space for the molecules to move. In liquids, particles are not as close together as they are in solids, but the particles are closer together in liquids than in gases. Liquids have a definite volume and an indefinite shape. A definite volume means that the liquid has the same volume regardless of the container you put the liquid in. However, liquids have an indefinite shape, which means that the liquids take the shape of their container. For example, if you were to pour a liquid juice inside a narrow glass versus if you put liquid juice inside a wide glass, the juice will take the shape of the container. The liquid juice inside the narrow glass will take the shape of the narrow glass container, and the liquid juice inside the wider glass will take the shape of the wider glass container. Additionally, liquids generally have a small compressibility and have high densities, not as high as solids, but have higher densities than gases. This is because the particles in liquids are more compact than those in gases, which means that liquids would have a higher density than gases. Particles in liquids are touching each other, but still move across from one another. Therefore, they have an approximately equal amount of potential energy and kinetic energy. Sometimes, particles are staying still, which is potential energy, but you still have a movement of particles, which is kinetic energy. In gases, particles are far apart from each other, farther than the particles in solids and the particles in liquids, as seen in this diagram. Gases have an indefinite volume and an indefinite shape. An indefinite volume means that gases have different volumes depending on the container you put the gas in. Gases have an indefinite shape, which means that gases take the shape of their container. Additionally, gases have low density and are generally very easy to compress. Gas particles also have a dominance of kinetic energy over potential energy, as most particles are moving around and moving apart from each other, where there is not too much attraction between the gas particles. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram @STEM Guide channel for more updates on when new videos in STEM fields release on our channel. Thank you.